If you see green letters or words, it's Hmong language. If you see red color words, it's the pronunciation. If you see the purple and the blue words are English. As you can see, number 1, the word comb in Hmong is joie, lu joie. Lu joie is comb. Number 2, toothbrush. Toothbrush in Hmong is tu chua nia. Tu chua nia. Number 3, toothpaste. Toothpaste in Hmong is chua chua nia. Chua chua nia. In number 4, soap. Soap is lu sumbu. Lu sumbu. Number 5, hand wash soap is chuan zua te. Chuan zua te. Chuan zua te. Number 6, lotion. Lotion is chua blank te ple. Chua blank te ple. Number 7. Number 7 is shampoo. Shampoo is chua zhe blau hao. Chua zhe blau hao. All these items are in your household for personal hygiene. Ta da cho khổng bé hay nói yo. Cho khổng xí. Cho lò tu yu tu khen có nhó hú xí. E và tiền nè yo cỡ tao lục mong. I hope you can learn more Hmong. I will see you again. Cô mà linh chí nè đùa. See you later. Cô mà chí có đùa nữa. Goodbye. She ji đùa. See you later. She ji đùa. See you later. I hope you can learn, and please review again with your Hmong language with the English translation. Thank you or ciao. Goodbye.